KL Festival 2026 bersempena dengan majlis penutup ini juga adalah majlis pelancaran Asian Music Games 2026 yang akan berlangsung pada bulan September tahun ini. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dataran Merdeka. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the KL Festival 2026. In conjunction with that, also tonight is the official launch of the Asian Music Games 2026. There's going to be battles, we have performances, and to kick things off, ladies and gentlemen, untuk memulakan persembahan kita pada malam ini sebelum tibanya Yang Berhormat Menteri ke majlis ini, kita ada satu persembahan.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat datang ke semua kawan-kawan. Saya dah sampai hari ini mungkin malam. Assalamualaikum dan selamat datang ke semua. Welcome to my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Putri Bangkok University Ketahanan Nasional Indonesia. Established in 2022 under the Department of Culture of Education, Putri Bangkok is a dynamic ensemble dedicated to elevating the art of marching percussion. The group quickly made an impact noticeable. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, from Methodist Girls School, Kuala Lumpur.
dreaming all night. Do this the rest of my life. Just like I'm first. Cause you must be, I know you ready. Roll with me the rest of your life.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for St. John's Institution Naval Cadet Band. Color Guard is all about precision, ladies and gentlemen. It's about coordination and teamwork. It really isn't an easy thing to accomplish here. So, what's your name?
Ali,
Encik Ali, what is one drink that you can order from Sabah?
Americano.
Americano, betul ke? Betul lah, okay, alright, congratulations. Okay. Astra Pekan Kalagat Organisation of SK Pramujaya is a 52-student high-performing arts team based in Pekan, Pahang, ladies and gentlemen. Kalagats, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for...
Suara semangatku, ku semangat dalam perjuanganku. Ku bangga kini Malaysiaku terus gemilang. Kalaupun dibilang bangsa bersama pemimpin raja gagah berjasa. Gabungkan tangan dengan itu sih perpaduan.
way from Pekan Pahang, SK Pramujaya. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we've seen color guard male, we've seen color guard teens. Now, let's watch color guard solo female. Give it up for Negeri Sembilan. Sabrina Nur Aisha Binti Dahlan is a 20-year-old hailing from Perak. She is an alumna of the renowned in the solo color guard female category of the Open Division at NetCom 2026. Color guard, are you ready? Already in the premise and Puan Hanayo, Minister in the Prime Minister's Department of Malaysia for Federal Territories. Yang berbahagia Datuk Seri Town Planner Fadlun bin Mak Wujud, Mayor of Kuala Lumpur. Puan Izan Satrina Muhammad Salihuddin, Senior Director of Think City, the primary co-organizer of KL Festival 2026. Yang berbahagia Datuk Zulkifli Ishak, Chairman Yayasan Amanah Industri Kreatif Kebangsaan, organizer of the Asian Music Games 2026. Pak Sehat Kurniawan.
Assalamualaikum semua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, Minister Hannah Yeoh, Minister in the Prime Minister Department, Federal.